My name is Ahmed Umar. I'm the school captain of Cosgrove High School, and I came to Australia as a refugee. First day at school, kids just gave me some dirty looks. I felt like I didn't fit in. Students didn't really understand where I came from and what was my story. There was few other migrants there, and then we told our stories, how we got to Australia and what it meant for us. And then we had a pledge that they signed that says, I promise that I will stop racism. That really made a big, massive change at our school. And I really feel welcomed and really part of my school community now. I'm from Ethiopia, a part called Oromia. Kids would get shot and there was no safety at all. My dad disappeared, so my mom said, oh, let's make a decision. I didn't even get to say bye to my school friends. We stayed in Sudan for a couple of months until things settled down, and then my mom had enough money for me and her to go and smuggle into Egypt. Going from Sudan into Egypt was a really difficult journey. I remember about 24 of us really speeding in the desert. It was either we survive or we don't, but thankfully we made it into Egypt. My mom started applying with the United Nations Refugee Agency so we could find a new country to call home. And then my mom was sick for a while and she had to go into the hospital. That's when my cousin Johar came from Ethiopia. My mom passed away in 2015. When she passed away, it was really hard, but I was thankful that my cousin was there at the time, which she was like my bigger sister. I was given the opportunity to be adopted, but I chose to actually stay with my cousin and live with her, because my cousin is the one who actually reminds me of who I am and my identity, my religion, and all the values that I actually have. We got the opportunity to come and live in Australia. I don't think if I was adopted that anyone else would keep up with me. I tried to learn extra skills from her, like cooking and all the other stuff. Yeah, she's an amazing person overall. There was a lot of friends that I had back in Egypt. One of my friends actually was migrated to Australia. I first met Obsab in my primary school back in Ethiopia. When I lost my mom, lost my dad, he always has been there for me, and I've always been there for him. The religion of Islam is where I got all my good values from. It is basically, something that gives me a hope every day to go out in the community. I want to make sure in the next 2 years, I really think of a great job that would take me to a pathway where I'm gonna do a lot of great work that would live on. I'm passionate about helping the community out. I was hoping that I would have had the opportunity to at least, do something good for my dad and appreciate all the hard work that him and my mom have done for me. My mom went through and did everything for me to just get the opportunity that I have right now. And whenever I do something good, I just look up and hope that she's looking at me and, feeling proud of the son that she taught everything.